Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can write an SEO-friendly blog article with AI within minutes, actually. This is a really sophisticated use case because this not will just write an article for you. It will help you with interlinking with past articles, and it will just not write the article like ChatGPT. It will also go on Google search results pages and see what's out there for that targeted keyword, and then it will try to make a better outline than the Google search results, and then write each paragraph, including introduction, conclusion, and everything in between. And not only, but it will even suggest anchor text for your previously written articles. And then it will obviously write a meta description, a slug URL. It will also generate a title. I created a template for this that you can use anytime. You will find the link in the description. Let me just show you how this is done. This is a template called SEO Friendly Blog Article Writer. All you have to do is use template. So the reason why I also added the sitemap URL as an input, it's because this way, this template will be able to tell you what previous articles can be linked to this brand new article that you're about to write. So go ahead and just type the keyword in here. Let's say it's this one, selling spreadsheets on Etsy. Then you will go ahead and use the sitemap URL, the post sitemap URL, and then you will click run. So as you can see, first you will write the article title, an SEO-friendly short meta description, a slug URL, which obviously, if you want, you can edit those. I usually prefer just to leave the keyword. So again, AI always needs adjustments. It's not that you can just go ahead and copy paste everything as it is. You have to add that human touch, that human element, and that's good because it differentiates you from other people who are writing articles about the same topic, and it will also create a table of contents, right? You might have a WordPress plugin that does this automatically, but if you want, this will also generate a table of content. Then the first section is always the introduction, and the last section is always the conclusion, and everything in between are the paragraphs that are based on the outline. So this is the outline. The outline, again, it's not just created by AI hallucinating as often it does, but it's based on Google search results pages. So it will just create, as I said, everything titled section 1, section 2, and you will see later why this is useful. And the last section is always the conclusion. And now what every prompt in this template does, it will write separately every section, right? This is like running 10 ChatGPTs at the same time. And this is better because instead of just having the ChatGPT writing each paragraph and starting to hallucinate section after section, this is like having 10 independent GPTs working at the same time, each one having a singular goal, which is writing just that specific section. So for example, if you see the introduction, it's called section 1, introduction, and it's just that. So then you have section 2, section 3. Quick update for this template. I added one more prompt to make the whole process easier, which means that in order to copy paste the whole article, you don't have to go through each section written by the template. I added one more prompt which actually structures the whole article together, and all you have to do is select the whole text and paste it into your blog website. The prompt is called final draft to copy paste. So just Ctrl F, search this to make the whole thing easier. And once you get here, all you do is you select the whole thing and copy paste it to your blog. Actually Ctrl+Shift+V to copy paste it so that everything is structured properly. And then once you do this, all you have to do is change the titles from paragraph to H2 or H3 according to your own discretion. You can also obviously download the results as a CSV file or open directly on Google Spreadsheet, but I personally prefer to just go ahead and copy paste from the results page on PromptMate directly to WordPress, right? It's all written. But then it doesn't end there. If you see for interlinking, for example, it will tell you what previously written articles can be linked to this article. So for example, in this case, we had selling spreadsheets on Etsy as a keyword, and it says, look, these are the previously written articles that you can use. It also gives you the URL, and this is the reason why we're using sitemap as an input besides the keyword. And then we have the anchor text. The anchor text prompt, what it does, it suggests you actually anchor text for the previously written article with the URL. So for example, it says in our previous article on how to make money with Canva, 5 proven ways, we discussed various strategies to generate income through graphic design. So you can grab the URL, copy paste it and hyperlink the text, right? Like for example, in this part, in our previous article. So if you want to check the actual article, we published it. It's this one right here, and you can see the final result. It's obviously we did some changes. We hyperlinked everything. We did some images, and actually this went and got indexed very quickly on Google. And as you can see from Google Search Console, it also getting some clicks actually with just a few impressions. So this is a great use case for you to understand that not only you can write articles with AI, but if you speed up the process of writing it and then make the necessary adjustments to enhance quality of your articles, they will be indexed on Google and actually get clicks very fast. Personally, I think this is the best part when it comes to AI, because everyone says that AI will lower the quality, but actually it will make you focus more on value. So you will just write it with AI and then you will adjust it so that the final goal, the end goal, is being met, meaning that the reader wants to get value and wants to get information and wants to get resources from your articles. And if you can just focus on that more than the writing, which takes a lot of time and energy, I think the article can be great at the end, and then you can just grow your blog and your blog authority. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.